So guys, to prepare this recipe you need carrot. First of all, you glitter your carrot. You glitter your carrot. What we need is just a teaspoon of carrot, grated carrot. Carrot is very good in treating anti-aging. After using this recipe, you look 10 years younger than your age. This will take away any wrinkles on your skin and make you look more beautiful and flawless. So after glittering the carrot, you transfer it in a bowl. Just transfer the carrot in a bowl. So guys, the next thing we need is rice flour. Just add a teaspoon of rice flour, then you mix it very well. Rice flour is very good in treating anti-aging and fine lines. Rice flour will brighten your skin and make you look flawless. So after adding the rice flour, then the next thing we need is honey. You add a teaspoon of honey. Honey is one of the best ingredients in treating wrinkles and fine line. So just mix it very well. Then the next thing we need is milk. Either you use liquid milk or powdered milk. You can use any one you have. So guys, the next thing you need is milk. Just add 3 tablespoons of milk. Then you mix it very well. This recipe is very active for anti-aging. You mix it very well. Then so this is what you apply on your face and you look younger than your age. Even if you are 80, this will make you look 10 years younger. I'm going to show you guys how to apply this on your skin. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use this mixture. First of all, you have to wash your face before applying this. You use it to scrub your face. You use it to scrub your face as I'm doing right now. You use it to scrub your face. You scrub your face very well for like you scrub your face very well like 10 minutes. Make sure you scrub your face very well. After scrubbing your face, then you leave it for extra 10 minutes. Then you wash it off. You wash it off after 10 minutes with warm water. To get perfect result, repeat this procedure 3 times a week. It will clear all the wrinkles and fine lines in your skin and it will make you look 10 years younger than your age. Just use this recipe and tell me what you think about this procedure in the comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. My name is Juliet Godswill. If you also me from Facebook, please follow my page and like my page. See you guys in my next video. Bye.